Kempton town this morning, and then we went straight to Hobart. After we got to Hobart, we stopped by this Hobart showround just to unhitch our car, and we took the car to do grocery shopping. I am a big surprise when we do shopping in Woolworth. We found all the meat has been stripped off the shell. I couldn't find any pork. There's a few pork chop left, and the rest is just all gone. There's a bit of beef left, and I should have video it. Yeah, there's not much meat left, so lucky there is a butcher outside. It's in the same shopping center, but outside won't work, and they sell it for a good price. Is everything is grass fed. Their meat is grass fed as well, and they also have little meat too, but it's enough for me to buy a few things. So yeah, I can't believe COVID is happening everywhere, and now food and all other supplies are short. So perhaps we should start learning to eat no meat, darling. Eat vegetarian. Justin is a meat lover, and he refused to eat vegetarian. Anyway, so after we finished our grocery shopping, I spent like about $320 just for food. Okay, just for food. And then we drove around to pick up some of our packages. Justin also went to Bunning to buy more stuff for the caravan, and then we also went back to Sorel to buy cherries. The cherry on the from the food store on the roadside is actually tastes better and is cheaper compared to the cherry inside the shop. And now we are here at Bruny Island ferry. We are just waiting to board the ferry. Together it's cost us $73 for the car, and this is also a return ticket. If you're going after 3 p.m. the ticket is actually cheaper, so that's what we decided to go. Also because we're not in a rush to go anywhere, we have no other plan, so there's no need to get to Bruny Island. There's no dump point in Bruny Island, so
not close anyway.
Not close. Well, not that we know. Yeah, so we did the dump, and yes, now we're just waiting to board the ferry. I think we can stay in our caravan. Yeah, it will be exciting. Don't know what is in Bruny Island, but I am curious, so we will be staying there for a couple days.
Boat, mommy.
Yes.
Boat.
Yes.
Quay ổng đó không?
See.
it's a beautiful day in Bruny Island, so we decided to do a bushwalk. We are going to do Cape Queen Elizabeth walking track. It's a 3-hour track, so we are about to start right now. Evie is already fall asleep in the pram. We decided to take the pram with us because we know that she needs to lie down and have her nap. She doesn't mind sleeping in the pram. This walk is not really, half of the track is not pram friendly, but the other half is doable with a pram. So we decided to take the pram, and then when we get to the area where it's no longer doable, we will just leave the pram there and then keep walking. But for now we are using it so that Evie can have a nap. Ahead, so we decided we're gonna stop here for a rest and let Evie have a bit more sleep, and then we will leave our pram here and then continue the trek. Yes, we have to wake up Evie. She's sleeping really well, even though she has been carrying around a lot of bumpy, but yeah, she loves her sleep. We bought strawberry, grape and cherry, so we're just munching on it.
Có ai giống như nó ăn siêu rừng nó rên cái ghê mà làm lại cho tình. Ok em.
We have to wake up Evie so that we can continue the trek. She is waking up right now and walking with Justin. She didn't make a big fuss when we wake her up. She just happily waking up.
Cái này là đi lụm da chai về á. Đi lụm bạc lông á.
So we complete the track. The track is definitely kid friendly, but my girls are so lazy to walk, so they make us carry them most of the time. We did not complete the walk. There are two ways. One is to do the full track, and one is just half way to get to the rock art. So we took that way because it's easier and it's by the beach, and it was so stunning. The rock art is so beautiful. We spent so much time there, and yeah, now we are going back home and make dinner. Everybody is hungry.